Right guys, so in this video we will look for the syntax of the pointers and the pointers variable. So this is a small just program to explain you the concepts of pointer. So in the first line we have declared a variable a which has the value 2. So it is a normal integer variable. Int asterisk p. This is asterisk. Asterisk indicates that it is a pointer variable of type integer. So it can hold any address of any variable which has the type int. This sign indicates it is a pointer variable. So in this line we have stored the address of a, and this sign is called ampersand. Ampersand means the address of a will be stored in p. This will return the address of a. So in p, the pointer variable, we are storing the address of variable a. So actually for clearing the concept, we will look for some outputs. So the size of p, what will it print? So p is a pointer variable which has the type integer. So it should be of 4 bytes because it can hold the address of any integer variable, and also the type of it is int. So the output should be 4 bytes. Now the value of a, what will be the value of it? 2 is a normal integer variable, and the value of ampersand a. Okay, so I have tell you that ampersand a will output the address of a. So ampersand a will return the address where a has located in the memory. Value of p, what should be the value of p? We have stored the address of a in p. So the ampersand a and p both have the same value. So also p will print the address of a because we have stored the address of a in p. So value of ampersand p. So which I have already talked about in the previous video, that the pointer variable also is stored in some location in the memory address. So the address of the pointer variable p where it is stored will be printed from here. And the value of asterisk p means we are referring to that address. So whatever the address has been stored in this p, we are referring to that. Means what will be the value of this? The value of this should be 2 because in this has the address of a, and we are pointing to that address. That what has been stored in that address should be printed here. So 2 will be printed. So now we confirm our output. So okay, the size of p of 4 bytes. Okay, all right. Value of a is equals to 2. Value of ampersand a is equals to some address. Okay, so a has stored here. The value of p. Okay, both are same, which I have told already. Because we stored the address of a in p. So okay, the value of ampersand p means the address of p. So okay, p has stored at this address. Okay, so this is different from this. The value of pointer p means it will print 2 asterisk p. It will print 2 because we are referring to this address. P means this address, this. So whatever has been stored here will be printed here. Okay, so all right. So I think the concept of the basic syntax and the basic pointer should be clear to you. Now we will move forward in the next video.